Today's topic is to insert a value after each k letter in a given list of strings. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one, that is by using a join and to the enumerate method, and the method two, that is by using an iter tools. Let's start from the first method, that is by using a join and an enumerate method. So first we are going to initialize our list of a string and the string which we need to be add them, and the n is a number that after on which occurrence do you need that particular string to be in our list of the strings. So over here we are going to go through the each and every element of our list one by using an enumerate function over here, and after that we are joining them together. But before that we are adding that number, that is n plus l, that is we are adding that particular element after the particular points of the elements, and after that we have this multiplication and divided is equals to 1, that for position of that I plus l element, that is where it should be. And after that we are joining it and we are converting it into the list and storing it into the list number 2, and we have them as an output.